touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3, 4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking, now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, give me a Louis, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. I'm fighting you, fighting like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. Yes, it is Tuesday morning. Hope everyone is doing great. I woke up from 6 o'clock, did my workout, had a shower, moisturize, and just getting cute for the day. Really and truly, I hope everyone is blessed and highly favored and doing great. What am I about to do this morning? I'm just gonna make my bed. I haven't made my bed yet. I'm gonna shower Avery. So basically, she see me in this. I have on this skirt is from, let me come in the light. So this skirt is from H&M. I think this top was from Primark. So this girl so basically she see me in this. Watch her. She wants skirt too, and she wants top. So watch over there. So no. So I'm gonna dress her in that. Because she must know everything where her mother, you know. That's the cute thing about having a girl, like they want to do everything that you do. Anyways, so just for the day, and the perfume that I'm gonna put on, let me just put on just gonna put on this Zara vanilla spray. It's not like am I going anywhere today? I don't know yet. And it's a finish, you know. That for sure is me use my something then. I forgot about another one. How about that?
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Take me out on ocean drive with her. Take me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Hey, you get that job in town, but that's only 4 hours away.
Back to my channel. Welcome back to SueLifestyles. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I just went and got some skincare from Boots, and tell me why is my bill £55 and I only got 4 products. 4 products and my bill is £55, bitch. Because why is everything is just mad expensive for no reason? Like,
turn right on a 110 G Noden Road.
I don't get it.
For 200 meters,
shoot.
Use the left lane.
Hey guys, I am currently back home. So guys, I'm going to show you what I got from Boots and tell me why. I don't understand why I ended up spending £55 on must have 4 items. Around 4 items. I'm telling you, Boots is bootsing. Boots is doing too much right now, okay? Boots, But anyways, I still love going to Boots because I love Boots and Superdrug. I also love Sephora, but funny enough, I haven't shopped at Sephora since it's been in London. I haven't. I need to go there and, you know, see what they got going. But anyways, I went to Boots today. Just jump into my little Boots haul. Can you hear that silence? Apart from the washing machine. There are no kids. Where are you kids, girl? Where are you kids? My kids are out and I love the little quietness. I love it for me, okay? I love the little extra time I get, right? You know, they gone with their dad and I'm so happy. So anyway, let me hurry up and do it before they come home, because once they come home it's a problem. And guys, I don't know if it's obvious or you guys can see it, my eyes has bloodshot red. I don't know what happened. I feel like I strained my eye or something. I don't know what's going on, but I'm currently using an eye drop for it. I need to go see my GP just in case, you know, to make sure everything is okay. But okay, so as I said, I went back to my OG, and the OG for me is the Cervere SA Salicylic Acid Smoothing Cleanser. For dry, rough, bumpy skin, gentle cleanse while exfoliating without disrupting the protective skin barrier. And it has 3 essentials: ceramide, salicylic acid, and hyaluronic acid. This is the OG for me. I'm not gonna lie, I do not suffer from big pimples or anything of big bumps of that sort. The only time you will see me with pimple come upon me when that time of the month is occurring. So however, I suffer from whiteheads. I have little tiny, I don't know if are they bumps or whiteheads. Yeah, whiteheads. I suffer from whiteheads, pore issues. So I use this, and this really helps me a lot. Reason being, I think it exfoliates my face well, and not only that, I spend time massaging it in. Like, guys, when you're using your cleanser, just spend time and massage it in, you know. Okay guys, I've fixed that. I'm using a lighting. I need to change this light because it doesn't dim, and I want something that can be dimmable. But anyways, as I was saying, I'm using this Cervere, the one with the light blue on it. The next thing I got, this is not mine, this is for Babe. It's the Uracin Derma Purifying Oil Control. This is very good for breakouts as well. Babe went to the dermatologist. He had pimples that he was breaking out, and then he went to a dermatologist and they prescribed this one for blemish prone skin, and it helps him a lot. So even me, I could use this. I use it sometimes, but I still like these. This is my go-to. But that's this one here. And I've been seeing this Olay. It has SPF in it. This is the Olay Regenerist Niacinamide Active Firming Renew Age Define Hydrates. So, oh my god, I think my eyes, I need to hurry up and turn off this light. I think it's affecting my eyes. So basically, I've heard a lot of good things about the Olay brand. I've never tried it before, and this is a cream. It has SPF 30 day cream, renew age hydrate. So I've never tried this before, so I'm gonna try it. So it has SPF in it, I guess that helps. But because I was saying that I don't have any what you call it, any sunscreen. So yeah, I always see this. I see this one and I see the one with the retinol in it. And this is normally 30 something pounds, and it was on sale for 18 pounds. So I said, you know what, let me give it a try. There's a slight bit of fragrance in it. So yeah, there's a day cream. So this is a day cream. So yeah, I don't have much to say about it. I'm going to try it and see how I get on with it. So this is it here. I'm sure you guys have seen it around. Comment down below if you have used it before. I've never used it before. You know, I'm getting older, so anything I say age, I'm going to try it, okay? And the final thing that I got was an eye cream, and it's from Cervé. This is my first ever. Oh, can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Yeah, this is my first ever eye cream, and it says reduces the look of dark circle, which I do have dark circles, and puffiness, helps restore the protective skin barrier, and it has ceramides and hyaluronic acid. And you know, hyaluronic acid is to put, it hydrates underneath the eye, you know. So I'm going to try this. I've never tried it before. All these things, because I always say, I don't know if eye cream really works. To be honest, naturally, and it's so small, and it wasn't cheap anyways, you know. Come on, focus. Oh, so hard to focus. But yeah, this is it here. I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. 4 little item, 50 something pound. Listen, this skincare is getting expensive. I remember when this was like probably about 10 pounds or something. Why is it almost 14 pounds? Sha. Anyways, guys, that concludes my little haul. So guys, I just bought me some sunflower. I haven't bought sunflower ever. This is my first time buying some, and I really like them. They just bring this bright, vibrant feeling to me. Actually, just gonna leave it here for now. But why am I putting this on them babies get start to come? So yeah, these are some flowers that I just bought. So pretty. Or should I just put it on the table? Let me put it on the table. So that's how it's looking. And these were only 4 pounds. They're very big though. Yeah. I normally buy the other flowers, but yeah.
The bees are.
So guys, we are at what name? Parkfield? Is it Parkfield in Enfield, where the strawberries are? So the kids are picking their strawberries. They're enjoying it. It's really nice. This is a nice little day out with the kids. I think they have strawberries, and the lady said corn as well over here, and sunflowers. So yeah, it is so pretty. It's so nice. Love it. Let me show you.
Mommy, you know about this?
No, look for the ripe ones. Look for the ripe ones. I'm not taking no time, boy.
Just like this.
Just pull. Look, there's some up here. Come here, record me. Can't do everything. The bees. Look here.
Mommy.
Thanks.
Mommy, you want one?
You red one, yeah. Pull it. Pull hard.
This is
Pull,
okay, right?
girl, pull it from here. Pull.
This is alright, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come, let me fill up. Come, look here. There's some juicy ones here.
If we have this one.
Mm-hmm.
Mama.
Yeah, red one, yes. She does have the red one, we know. Look.
This big, fat, juicy one. Look at this big.
Listen, this is amazing.
Basically a farm.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
If
They look up whatever she read up so.
Mama, baby.
Strawberries. You gotta give some to Sissy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't give anything to me, bro. Where is your head?
Yeah.
Plus.
Oh, raspberries are there, and green onions and sweet corn.
What's the raspberries?
They said that way.
Green onions. I'm
Four.
gonna be crying to death.
You see, you're gonna be crying.
Four. Mommy, four.
So guys, they have raspberry, green onions, and sweet corn.
Can you get those?
And it's these this way. Yeah, you're allowed to.
I'll take it. Well, come, let's go try. It's not that bad, I guess.
Okay, come on.
Me first.
Walk across. Oh, raspberries this way. So raspberry this way. So this is where the raspberries are at. It's a no entry here. Yeah. This is nice. Do not pick these crops. So the ones with the yellow lines, we're not allowed to pick any from there. That. Yeah. Huh? So I think these ones you can pick. Come on. No. Come here. Okay. Yeah. So look for the ripe ones. Like, see? Raspberry. No. That's green. Red. Red. Look. Yeah, Eden. That's it. Put them separate.
No.
Don't put them with the strawberries. Put them in this one.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, Avery, put them in that one.
So if you mess with you have to get the red ones.
Ooh. Pick them properly so they don't break.
Only see them like this. Mommy,
Right.
I know. That's why bacon.
It's fine. Don't squash them. Take your time.
Oh, I found a big one.
Yeah, make sure it's red. Red ones, not turned. Red.
Put them in here.
No, don't mix them. She said do not mix them. That one is not red enough. Put them in here. Put them in this one.
Is this red?
That's not red enough.
Okay, we can go here.
Just put it back.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, I'm videoing, she doesn't know. Shh. I'll pretend that I'm not videoing. I'm gonna pretend that I'm not videoing. No. So what were you doing? I still have your phone. I tried to make it a secret. I was like, everybody be quiet. Hey, can I have my strawberry? Guys, I'm peeling off the corn. Mommy, show them the corn.
I'm sure them. You're enjoying.
Mommy.
Huh?
Corn.
Yeah, you found a sunflower.
Once I have an infinite supply of corn.
Yeah.
Are you here?
Hmm? Oh, put it in your hair. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Hold on.
I see the corn.
The beautiful corn.
Mommy, we have the strongest and 1,000
Here,
years.
here. Alright, come. Alright, going. So guys, I am home. This is what we got. We got some raspberry. And what berries are these again? Blueberry? No, it's not blueberry. I think it's raspberry too, but the purple ones, and some strawberry. I didn't get a lot of the purple raspberry, so I'm just going to wash these and with vinegar and baking soda and put them in the fridge. Yep. Got some corn, which I shouldn't have taken out of the I don't know why I took it out the shell. I should not take out the leaves off. But what am I doing now? Use them up anyways. Or freeze. Actually, I could freeze them. That's what I'm gonna do. Freeze them. Yeah, put them in the freezer.